Okay. Why should you be on The Real World?
Excuse me. Why should I be on The Real World? One, you can look at me. Two, you can ask more questions about me and see, why not, basically, because I have all the qualities no one else has. Meaning personality, look, style, everything. I'm a 100 threat, not a triple threat, not a 4 quadruple threat. I'm a 100 threat.
So basically, you think you're all that.
No, I'm all that.
And who qualifies you as that? Yourself?
Yes, can we move on with the actual questions why I should be? I'm trying to get on The Real World, not have an argument with you.
Okay. So what can you bring to The Real World to make viewers want to watch you?
First, the boys that just want to watch me, even girls. I mean, everybody just want to like to watch attractive people, so they want to watch me. That's one. Two, I can name a million, so I just name a few. My personality, I'm very happy.
Make this quick.
Unless you tick me off.
Tick you off.
You might see a bad side of me, which people like to see, the drama. So
Okay.
Don't cut me off.
So far, it seems like you just have this personality. It's just like way out of the world.
Way out the world.
Listen, okay?
You're supposed to ask me questions.
Listen.
Don't get mad at me because I have 100.
Listen, you're wasting my video time, okay? Now, so far, it seems like you have this whole attitude where it's just like you think you're just way out of the world and like you just everything, okay? And I don't think a lot of people like to watch that. Would you like to watch someone who's just, like, so stuck up and full of themselves?
I'm not stuck up. I'm telling you facts. Okay? It's a fact.
These are not facts. These are not.
It's a fact that I have a nice personality. It's a fact that if you tick me off, you're going to get a dotted eye like I will dot yours in a second.
Let's get a zoom in this face.
Yeah,
I don't think so. I don't think no one wants to see that. No, I don't think you're attractive either.
Get this show on the roll. Can you ask me another question?
Okay, we only have time for one more question. So,
yes, sure.
Why do you think that people would even want to watch a stuck-up person?
Another question.
That's another reason why people didn't like The Hills or Laguna Beach and stuff like that. Some people didn't.